Property in a Box would like to present NRAS, an excellent property investment opportunity offering positive gearing, tax credits and no concerns about tenants' unpaid rents.
NRAS is a long-term commitment by the Australian Government to invest in affordable rental housing and is a new investment program for Australia.
The NRAS incentive is a funding stream only offered to purchasers of NRAS properties. Each approved property attracts the NRAS incentive for 10 years.
Property in a Box and its partner network provides you one of the largest selections of NRAS properties in Australia.
The minimum annual NRAS incentive, $9,981, delivers an improved rental yield over conventional residential investment properties.
NRAS properties can deliver a cash flow positive return for many PAYE and PAYG taxpayers.
You can expect to receive over $90,000 of tax credits over 10 years.
Our partner network has sold over 450 NRAS properties, providing support and facilitation at all levels.
Every property sold sponsors a child for 1 year. No fees are increased to cover these donations.
We offer a complete end-to-end facilitation process and your property is fully managed for 10 years.
You are invited to find out more via our internet webinars and seminars. Contact us today to learn more about NRAS.